Is your Spectrum cable box not showing the program guide? It's often related to a failed time or guide data refresh. The program guide relies on electronic program guide data that's automatically updated every 4 to 6 hours. Common culprits include signal loss, outdated firmware, power outages, or incorrect date and time settings. First, check your cable connections and ensure they're secure. Next, restart your Spectrum box by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Finally, verify the date and time settings on your box are correct. These simple steps resolve most guide issues. The Spectrum TV app and website also have real-time diagnostics for remote guide refresh. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try clearing the cache or performing a factory reset on your Spectrum box. Consult your user manual for instructions. Many Spectrum subscribers are shifting to streaming via the Spectrum TV app, which reduces reliance on cable boxes and their guide issues. If the problem persists, it might indicate broader network issues requiring a technician visit. Spectrum is planning to phase out older set-top boxes in favor of cloud-based guides in the near future, which should eliminate many refresh problems. Check the My Spectrum app for remote refresh of the guide data or contact support. AI-assisted diagnostics are also being implemented to solve these guide issues automatically.